Howdy all, my name is Jan Steinhauer and today I'm going to explain the Kth factor of a number algorithm in Swift. For that problem we're getting two integers as parameter. So for the first integer we have to find out which numbers can we divide this integer by to get a remainder of 0. We have to save these factors afterwards in an array, and so with the second parameter we have to look up in the array which index is that in that array, and then we have to return that number. For example, in this example we are having the Kth factor of 12. Beneath it you can see an array of all the possible Kth factors, and then we have to find out in this case the third element, which is here a 3, and then we have to return the 3. Okay, perfect. Let's jump right into the code. First, we're declaring an array which can hold integers. In this case, we're calling it the Kth factor array. Afterwards, we are looping through all of the first parameters, all of the n's. So we say, okay, for num in 1 to n, then you have to say, okay, if n divided and no remains divided by num equals 0. Then we say, okay, if that is given, we can add it to the Kth factor array dot append num, and then we can say, okay, how many numbers are there? And if the Kth factor array dot count is correspondence with the second parameter, we can say, okay, a match was found, so we can return it. If the for loop loops through completely, we know that there is no Kth factor which matches the k in this case, so returning a -1. Let's test it out real quickly. Perfect, seems like everything has worked fine. All of the code is in the GitHub below. Thank you for watching. Howdy all!